Soviets will seek to move along metal roads as fast as possible, using artillery and firing on the move to disable and kill any ambushes that may come across. On the North German plains, the armored vehicle is king. However, in the past 20 or 30 years, guided missiles have reduced its advantage considerably due to their range and capabilities in defeating modern armor. During this exchange, both sides have taken extensive casualties, which they will now seek to treat as best as they can before they are evacuated to more specialized facilities in their respective rear areas. The Soviet military extensively utilized female personnel in the medical area.